Hello everybody, welcome to Ticker Symbol Cash. So NVIDIA just reported earnings and the stock is up nearly 20%. So I'm going to do a very quick overview on the earning results and talk about the 11 billion reasons that this company is AI king or queen. So let's get started. So first, let's start off by quick disclosure. So um, I'm not a financial advisor, so do your own research and invest in your own risk. I'm not responsible for any losses you make on the market. I'm just doing these videos for entertainment purposes only, to entertain myself, to entertain you. I'm learning the stock market myself. So um, let's talk about the NVIDIA stock. So if you take a closer look, I just want to look at the guidance for quarter one. So they just reported quarter one, so I want to take a quick rewind to last quarter and see what the company expected. They expected a $6.5 billion revenue with a sequential growth driven in all four major markets, led by strong growth in data transfer and gaming. So that's what they were expecting 6.5 billion and gross margins of somewhere around 6.5 on a non-GAAP basis. Remember those numbers finally. I want to thank the monthly full force the numbers. So okay. Total revenue was way past that 7.5 billion. It was closer 7.2 billion, and yes, it was driven by those two main markets, data center and the gaming market. We can see the data center market is exploding, and we can see other things. Gaming market is now it definitely seems like the turnaround has happened here for gaming space, and the main reason, right, this company was under shipping their graphic cards to the consumer products for a long time. Now they are back to kind of returning shipping to normal. I do believe they might still be under shipping a bit. So overall, we expect this gaming market to continue to grow, but this is the highest revenue we've seen in the past 4 quarters from now. Right, so quarter two of fiscal year 2023, the automotive segment, I just want to pinpoint that is up a nice amount year over year, but it's seeing a small boost sequentially. I was a little bit surprised about that. I would have expected the auto market to be a little bit higher. Maybe this company is just kind of saving inventory and some of their chips for them other markets as we continue to see the data center space. Now, if we kind of jump into their earnings and first gross margins, we can see on a non-GAAP basis, gross margins were 6.8. This was a little bit, it was pretty much in line with what that company was saying. So great news when this company was seeing that huge downfall. It's all over inventory correction. Gross margins took a huge dip. Now we are back to those high 60% digits. So great news for investors here. Before I go on any further, I just want to showcase the real reason. The main reason stock is up right now because the second quarter of fiscal 2024 outlook is $11 billion, and I want to say when I read that I thought I was hallucinating. I thought maybe because of my new baby I did not get plenty of sleep, so I thought I was reading it wrong, but that's not the case. That's the numbers they give, and we can see this is far above almost a 40% growth from their peak quarter one of fiscal year of 2023. Their peak revenue was $8.2 billion, so that I think alone is the main reason the stock is up nearly 20%. Some great thing to note as well, right, is a quarter three and quarter four. This company is releasing their new product for the CPU market at a great CPU, great support CPU. So in theory, this revenue for second quarter, I don't believe it's going to the peak, but I think we are going to continue to see maybe some more growth in quarter three and quarter four as we continue to have new products coming out, as we continue to see the push in the AI market. So this is mainly the main reason the stock is up right now. A few things I don't think anything else worth is mentioning right now in forms of their overview. We do mention the gaming market is up again. Like I said, it's mainly because they were under shipping for a long time. That is starting to pick back up. Lower shippings they are still normalizing in forms of inventory level. So that's great news. I do believe we are going to continue to see that, but for next few quarters, this is going to be a company that's really driven by data center market, and as soon as the consumer space picks back up, we are gonna also be driven by the gaming market. Let's see what else do we have here. Cash flow from operating activities was almost $2.9 billion, up from 1.7 billion a year ago and 2.2 billion a quarter ago. So a few things, they are lowering inventory prepayment and their changes in inventory. Obviously, the strong growth in revenue, free cash flow, $2.6 billion financially. NVIDIA is not a company I personally would worry about. So I mean, like I mentioned, we are going to do another video of follow up their earning calls where I will discuss some of the Q&A sessions. We are going to learn a lot about there, but right now this is the main reason the stock price is up nearly 20%. Obviously things can change, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So don't forget to subscribe and give a like to us. So that is it. I'm not a financial advisor and my videos are not any kind of financial advice. So take it easy. See you on my next videos.